Present simple tense. Means.
অভ্যাস habit.
Dainandina kaya, daily routine. Sadharana satya, general truth. Sthayi abhastha, permanent situation. Samayasuchi, timetable, schedule. Pachanda ba apachanda, likes and dislikes. Structure. Affirmative. Subject plus verb, V1 plus object. He, she, it plus verb plus s. Examples. I play football. You read books. We study English. They work hard. He plays football. She goes to school. Negative. Subject plus do, does plus not plus V1 plus object. Examples. I do not play football. They do not work. He does not play football. She does not go to school. Interrogative. Do does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Examples. Do you play football? Does he play football? Does she study English? WH questions. What do you do? Where do you live? Why does he study English? When do they come? How do you learn English? Uses. Checkmark habit. I wake up at 6 a.m. Checkmark daily routine. She goes to college every day. Checkmark general truth. The sun rises in the east. Checkmark universal truth. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Checkmark facts. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Checkmark feelings and likes. I like tea. She loves flowers. Checkmark timetable. The train leaves at 8 a.m. Signal words. Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Every day. Every week. Never. Generally. Normally. Subject anayayi verb. Common mistakes. Crossmark he play football. Checkmark he plays football. Crossmark she don't like tea. Checkmark she doesn't like tea. Crossmark does he plays football. Checkmark does he play football. Practice.
বাংলা থেকে ইংরেজি করুন। আমি প্রতিদিন ইংরেজি শিখি। সে সকালে নামাজ পড়ে। তারা স্কুলে যায়। তুমি কি বই পড়ো? সে কি ফুটবল খেলে?